Good morning. Ni hao from Taiwan. So today we're going to Tainan City, which is a nearby city from Kaohsiung, and we are going to take the high-speed rail from Zhuiying Rail Transit System. Yeah, high-speed train. So sabi ni Celine, it will only take 10-15 minutes, 12 minutes to be exact, yung train ride from Kaohsiung to Tainan City. So we'll be there for today for only a few hours para ma-discover naman yung ibang part ng Taiwan. Ito yung station na malapit sa aming nakuwang hotel, which is siguro mga 5 minutes walk lang. Napaka-convenient. Ni hao guys. Ni hao. Ay, si Mama, may gusto pang ipiti na tao sa elevator. So nandito tayo sa Formosa Station. Papunta tayo na Zhuiying Station para dun sa high-speed train. Ha? Kinukuha ni Mama yung ticket para dun sa high-speed train. So itong high-speed train na to, it connects Kaohsiung hanggang papunta ng Taipei. Pero we are just going to Tainan for today. Day trip lang. So while waiting for Mama, kain muna mga kids. So Kobe, alam mo ba yung Tainan? Yung pupunta natin?
Thailand?
No, Tainan. Tainan is the oldest city in Taiwan. Tapos siya rin yung former capital ng Taiwan from 1683 to 1887. So we're going to visit one of the oldest city in Taiwan. Excited to see Tainan? Okay, so nakuha mo na yung ticket, Ma? Yay! Anong oras yung
11.
11. And then how many minutes ka ulit? 15 minutes
12.
lang? 12 minutes. Magkano yung ticket from Kaohsiung to Tainan? Tainan.
200 pesos.
200 pesos per person?
Hindi.
Buy one take one pa yun? Mura. So parang gumastos lang tayo ng 400 para makapunta ng Tainan. Balikan yun?
Hindi.
One way.
800 balikan.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, sa platform number 3 daw tayo. And then cart number 5. So ito yata yung high-speed train. Alam nyo ba na tumatakbo yan ng 300 kilometers per hour? Halika, excited ka na? Ako din eh. First time. 300 kilometers per hour na train. Alam mo ba yung sa North Luzon Expressway, pag nagda-drive tayo, 100 kilometers lang yun. Ito times 3. Comparable daw to sa sa Japan na Shinkansen line na 300 kilometers din. Dito daw tayo sa kabila.
The next train po.
Okay.
Nag-high-speed train.
Hello. Hi. Noah. Hi. Hello. So we're going to ride the high-speed train for the first time in our life. So it's our turn. We're just waiting for papasukin kami. Nililinis pa yung train. Let's go. We're going in. Saan kami?
各位旅客您好，欢迎搭乘
Bye, B.
台湾高铁。
Bye-bye.
本列车开往南港，沿途停靠台南、嘉义、台中、新竹、桃园、板桥及台北站。祝您旅途愉快。
Kami ni Kobe ang magkatabi.
各位旅客，本列車是往南。
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our high-speed rail. If any season, please let us know. Trainmaster attendant in our Chengdu with your passenger.
So we're at Tainan. We're going to alight the train. We're going to Angpin Old Street. Ba't ano meron doon? Oldest street in Taiwan?
Thailand.
In Tainan.
Siguro Taiwan.
So, going to Angpin Old Street, kailangan daw namin sumakay ng shuttle bus going to Tainan City Hall. And then from there, sakay na lang kami ng taxi daw. Okay, ito daw yung bus. Go boy! Okay, hi kids! Hi ma!
Hi.
So this is the bus that will take us to Tainan City Hall. Breakfast namin ni Mama. Sarap. So we're at Tainan City Hall. We're waiting for a bus or a taxi going to the Anping Old Street, one of the oldest street in Tainan or in Taiwan. So, nandito na kami sa Anping Old Street. Sobrang helpful ng taxi driver namin. Talagang ano pa siya, effort na mag-translate para turuan kami paano kami makakauwi. Bait. Okay. Sa totoo, wala akong maintindihan paano kami uuwi. Anping Shop. Sarap?
Sarap.
Saan? Okay, let's go. So, nahanap natin yung souvenir from Taiwan. Kasi meron tayong souvenir from UAE, Japan, South Korea. Kino-collect namin yun. Display para sa bahay. Ayan, may magnet to.
You decide. What's the best flavor?
Everything. It's everything. Okay. One. Okay. 我就那个 sauce. Honey. Honey, okay. Orange juice. Okay.
谢谢。
谢谢。
Sa'yo. Sa'yo.
公民和金桔。
Ano ba yan?
Jelly.
Ano, yummy? Very good. Thank you, Sheshe. Try.
Kobe. Thank you. Hello.
What's that?
Oh, garlic.
What it? I know, thank you. No, thank you, thank you.
Try it. Kobe. Ano yan? Taiwanese.
Sausage. Taiwanese sausage. $40. Sarap?
Mami.
That's right. Sarap.
Buong-buo, no? Parang wala excel.
Sarap.
I like
Ba?
it. Try it. Hot dog.
Not that hot. Parang siyang longganisa man. Thank you, bye-bye. So this is Zealandia City, a 17th century fortress. So ito na lang yung remains of it, pinireserve nila. Yan yung mga bricks. So, hi ma. So dahil limited time kami, dito na kami nakapili kumain. Mamadali kami because of the train ride pabalik ng Kaohsiung.
Okay, sure na.
Thank you. Sheshe. Daming may milk tea. Saan kaya yun? Ito yan, babe. Sige. Pili tayo. Okay, very good.
Milk tea. Papa. Hindi ba? Masyadong ba?
Ano, yummy?
Wala pa. May nainom ka.
Faster B. Ano? Very good daw, sabi ni Noah.
Ay. Nakabita tayo. Yung food panda pala dito.
Kaya mo na, last na ako. How is it compared dun sa may caution?
Same.
Same. Dapat yata yung tiger sugar.
Wala eh.
So, ito yung bus na sasakyan namin na free shuttle going back to the high-speed Taiwan high-speed train station. Magdi-depart daw in 20 minutes. So, very ano sila, punctual pagdating sa time ng schedule ng mga bus schedule, pati train schedule. Hi, we're back at the HSR Tainan Station. So from Angpin, siguro it also took us 1 hour para makapunta rito. So kung magvi-visit kayo ng Angpin, a lot 1 hour from the high-speed train station going to Angpin, 1 hour din pabalik. 7-Eleven. Mukhang maraming laman dito sa 7-Eleven na to.
不会啦。它现在温度上面有冷气。
Ano babaunin natin?
yung sushi. Isa mo?
Sushi? Sige.
Kiwi.
Cute ni Mama. Nagustuhan ulit yung sushi. Share na tayo.
李三三加醋的马尼加这边领着。
Tabi kami ni Noah. Ready?